The triumphant return of Alexander Karnes. 6 years have elapsed and once again A.E.Karnes returns to the shores of Britain to share more interesting information with us all. All photographs and artwork contained within this video are copyright to Alexander Karnes. The full-length version of this video is available to view on Alexander Karnes' Patreon channel. The details of how to access A.E.Karnes' Patreon channel are at the top of the screen. Alex also has a YouTube channel and the link to that is also on screen. The A.E.Karnes YouTube channel is well worth watching. It's quite diverse and contains much of the artwork of A.E.Karnes. And without further ado, here he is. It's really good to see you looking so well after 6 years. 6 years, I can't believe time's gone that fast. I think the viewers would like to know what you've been up to since we last met.
Well, besides constant steam and a lot of misfortunes, even more steam in the form of I've been slaving away in power plants, power engineering, steam that drives our modern world. And I got myself a license, which enables me to work now in any power plant, including nukes, and chief engineer a power plant of any type, including a nuke up to a certain size.
I think it's a good idea to prove the point and show the viewers your card.
There it is. As bestowed upon me by the state of Massachusetts in its wisdom.
That's very impressive. I'm a bit puzzled why the photograph doesn't look much like you. And by the way, quite a few viewers, a surprisingly large amount of viewers, say that you look like Tom Cruise. Now, I'm looking at you through the viewfinder and I think you look more like Nosferatu than Tom Cruise. Can we have another look at the card?
Yeah, I think I agree with you more than them, but I guess cataracts are more common than they used to be. That's a very strange remark.
Well, yeah, but Tom Cruise, where does Tom Cruise come in? Are you sort of Tom Cruise's stunt double? Because you're taller than him to start with.
He'd be my stunt double. No, strange. That's one of the strangest things I've ever heard. And it's a bit like trying to compare the Chrysler Building to a giant rotten pumpkin that fell off the back of a truck, I suppose. But yeah, odd. I'd agree with you there.
Yeah, just a tad, you know, creeping into women's bedrooms with long fingernails and things like that.
Well, thankfully I don't do that unless those women's bedrooms are full of antique piles of steam valves or fittings or things like that.
So what's brought about the visit to the UK then?
For one thing, I need my medicine. And for another thing, I would have been back much sooner, but a series of unfortunate events, so to speak, befell me. And things got completely and utterly out of control, and I would have been back several times by now had it not been for that. And the COVID thing was only sort of the background noise of all those things. So, but yeah, like I say, the reason I come to England is because I cherish your country and its people and its treasures. They are part of my dosage of medicine, and so far I've done some work on the Showman's engine Repulse. I've been to Clay Mills, the best place in the world, or one of. Good to give them a plug here because it's just the most incredible place with the most incredible people. And not the only, of course. I've been to Wallerton Park with the big Gimson beam engine. I've been to...
So what about Vietnam? Where does that come into the picture?
Long story short. That was kind of my long way around to getting to England, but the reason I was there was to sort of go and assist and teach and instruct and perform repairs to mainline steam locomotives and their drivers and firemen, because there will be soon running steam locomotives, 2 of the 141 class, on their meter gauge mainline network with special trains. That's all they have there.
Really?
Yeah, it's the meter gauge because it's French colonial.
Is it just like in a big park?
No, it's actually a really crazy railway. It's what is it, 1,800 kilometers long, and it's one track the entire way from Saigon or Ho Chi Minh City, all the way up to Hanoi. One track with little passing sidings at some of the stations. It's the craziest railway.
And is it still steam?
No. But the steam only stopped there in something like 2004.
Oh, that's a shame.
It is. They lost a lot. And the thing is, they know they lost a lot.
What happened to the steam engines?
Most of them are, most of the ones still in existence are either languishing, rusting away at the depots, and quite a lot of them are actually plinth for posterity. Like there's one in front of Da Nang Locomotive Works, there's another one in front of Di An Locomotive Works, there's one at the main station in Saigon, there's one at the main station in Hanoi, there's a bunch of them everywhere. But almost all of them are the 141 class. 141 being the axles, 282.
Pretty much like Spitfires outside RAF stations. Alex is with me at the moment in my home workshop, and I do live in the middle of nowhere, somewhere near York. And it's really good, it's very, very quiet, apart from the odd dog barking and horses galloping past. In fact, today, on the way back from the supermarket, there were 3 horses randomly wandering down the road.
I remember.
Yeah.
The Shire horses.
Yeah, they were really nice.
Very pretty.
But I didn't want to go past one in case it decided to jump on my bonnet, you know?
Right, yeah.
But there's a lot of beauty in this area, and it's quiet, and it's...
I like, that's another thing I like about rural Britain, is that you, unlike some other places in Europe and certainly in America, you don't curate your landscape, and the fact that there were just unsupervised horses, there was no gear on them at all, they were just walking around being sentient life forms and enjoying their autonomy. That is very refreshing.
I would like to thank my friend Alexander Karnes, who has a vast knowledge of everything steam. I'm using the condensed versions of the videos that we shot. Once again, if you want to see the full-length ones, you need to go on Alex's Patreon channel. There's more to come on here, but that's it for now. Stay safe, stay healthy, thanks for watching, and I hope you found it interesting. Please take the time to visit my Main Steam Models website and click on the section of the website that says Video Playlists. And by doing that, you can find other videos that you may like to watch. And by using the playlists, you can actually watch the videos back to back.